This is Jakarta, one of the largest metropolitan city in the world. You can see in the wee hours, the city used to experience a lot of traffic, but still you can see the cars are maintaining the lane. Secondly, barely you can hear any honking. If there is any honking, there is some reason. For example, someone is suddenly coming in front of the car. You can see too little honking compared to the Indian cities. Despite such a long traffic snarl, people are trying to maintain the lane. That's really commendable.